are all about creating custom designs to meet the needs of each of our clients. Each piece is uniquely made specifically to meet your needs. This is truly functional art that expresses who you are.
If you're looking to add something spectacular to your home or business, Artisan Design Concepts is the way to go.
From mild to wild, we will take your vision and make it come to life. We will create a work of art on your countertop, tabletop, or walls that's not only beautiful, but also durable. Our only limitation is your imagination.
This isn't just a job for us. We're here because we're passionate about what we do, and we take pride in our craftsmanship and our customer service.
We are here to create a premium experience and premium products at a competitive price. Come visit us to see what we can create for you.